Good morning, guys. Lori here from Hedgehog's Homestead. It's a little bit bright out here, but I'm gonna go ahead and shoot a video anyways. What I'm gonna show you is a quick trick that I just thought of today. Earlier when I was out here picking some cucumbers, I noticed that my cucumbers needed to be trellised up. They were not hanging on the fence because of the weight of the cucumbers. Otherwise, I thought they would just climb up the fence. I have wooden fence, as you can see behind me, and they didn't climb up the fence like I thought they would. So I did a little trick. So I thought I'd show you guys what I did. As you can look here, here's my lovely cucumber plants. And what I did is I just tied this to the top of the fence. This is just normal twine. And I have two little sprigs here, so I went ahead and tied them up individually. And then I wrapped this around. You can see how it's just kind of trailed, winded around. And then there's a little knot there. It's not tied tight to the vine, but it's tied around the vine and then tied tightly just to kind of hold it up there. And I've done that to all of my, there's another cucumber coming on, all of our cucumber plants. And you can see here, I just twined them up. And my loofah plants as well. This is a loofah here, I believe. And we did that one here. I'm also going to have to do this one later on. That might just actually grip onto that one. And I did it there so that they can all just grow up. And I did to this huge cucumber one too. So this one's a very heavy plant. Not a cucumber plant, it's something else. But I'm encouraging it to grow up too. And then it's got a cucumber vine in there too. So still having some pest damage here, but not too bad. I sprayed them last week with some neem oil and it's getting a little better. We're starting to get tomatoes on. Tomatoes are growing up like crazy, and that's what we want. And then we'll get tomatoes on. Those are indeterminate tomato plants. And then we have this one here that's actually giving us fruit. I'm going to leave those on even though they look ready to pick. Hopefully the dog doesn't get to them first. I've got a few red ones in there, and we will pick those later when in the evening, because I watered this morning. I don't want to pick them when they're full of water, so I want it to dry out. I cleared the area around my onions so that they can bulb out a little more. That one's already kind of bulbing out there, if you can see it. And that's what's going on in the garden today. So just remember, guys, if you have a fence like this and you thought that your stuff would grow up, there's an easy way to grow your cucumbers and trellis them up. Just a little twine. All right, you guys have a great day. God bless. And remember, I'm following my dreams. You guys go follow yours. Bye.